Hey everyone, this is Lalo Ready from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating a lead called Malfunction, and it sounds like this without EQ. And that's pretty much it. If you like this preset, you can get it over here in the description below in the Techno Academy pack by Production Music Live. But now let's get started with this preset and let's get started with this tutorial. So we're gonna initialize this sound and we're gonna solo this. Take the EQ off and get started with Serum over here. So in Serum, we're going to start with an initial preset. We're going to select a basic MCB. We're going to put the fine a bit down. But we're also going to pick this pen and put it all the way to the left. Now we only hear in the left. Why are we doing this? Because we're going to choose oscillator B and we're going to put it all the way to the right. But we're going to pick this and put it a bit up over here. Can you see how this creates a bit of detune in the sound? Now, that's pretty much it with oscillator A and B. We're going to go and put it a noise over here. We're going to select a air can number 1. And we're going to put the level all the way down. And we're just going to tick this over here. Why are we doing this if we don't listen to anything? Because we're going to pick envelope 2 and modulate the level over here to something like this. Now, sustain all the way down. Decay also a lot down. And we're going to pick this handle over here. Can you see it? It's really hard to get it. And we're going to put it a bit down as well. So it's really just a burst. Now we're going to select mono, always, and a bit of portamento to create this whoom, 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 whoom. That's what we want over here in the sound. Now we're going to go into the envelope 1. The attack and decay are going to remain as it is, sustain also as it is, but the release is going to go a lot up. And that's why we want the mono over here. Without the mono, the notes would get on top of the other, and that's exactly what we don't want. Now, filter, MG low 12, we're going to select A and B. The cutoff is going to go all the way up. The drive a little bit up as well. And the last thing that we have to do that I just forgot over here is going to pick this wavetable, MCB as well. And that's how it should be. Now, in the effects section, we're going to choose hyper dimension. We're going to pick the hyper and put the mix all the way down. Dimension as it is, and the wet is going to go a bit up. Makes the sound a bit bigger. Now, EQ, we're going to select 2 bell curves. And in the bell curve, the first one is going to go somewhere over here. We haven't done anything, so it shouldn't change the sound, but Q as it is and the gain a bit down. Without it. Now the bell number 2, we're going to put it a bit down. Again, we haven't done anything. Q a lot down and the gain a lot up. And that's how it should be. Now, phaser, we're not going to do anything over here. We're just going to go into the wet position and put it a bit down. But why? Because we're going to go into the LFO now. And in the LFO, we're going to modulate the phaser a little bit. How is this going to go? This is going to be a saw up. So pick the hand and put it over here. This is a saw up. And we're going to put off BPM, anchor 1/4. Delay, and in the delay, we're going to choose 40 over here as it is. We're going to pick this over here and put it a bit down, somewhere like this. This already creates a little bit of ping-ponging in the sound, but we're going to make this even more apparent if we pick this and put it a little bit up in the frequency. Now the Q a bit down. And that's it for now. Now, lastly, we're just going to pick a reverb. And in the reverb, we're going to put the wet a bit up. And that's pretty much it with the sound. Now, if you want to check the MIDI over here, that's pretty much what we're playing in this sound. And that's it. Now, if you want to listen in context, I hope you like the sound, and if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Lilo already from Abstract Music Lab, signing off. Cheers.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.